Welcome to the Dish Takeout, bringing you all the freshest restaurant news this week. I'm Lawrence Baker, Communications Director at the New Mexico Restaurant Association, and here are the juiciest bites from our newsletter in a short takeout format that's easy to digest on the go. Time is running out to register for an exclusive webinar to learn about our new Hospitality Business School program. Attendees of the webinar will get special access to a limited offer to sign up for the lowest price the course will be offered at. But you have to be on the webinar to get the discount code. Use the link on the screen to register, and we will see you April 19th as we explore this exciting program together. NMRA is excited to announce our Spring Open House Membership Fair on May 16th from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. and May 17th from 1 to 5 p.m. If you're a vendor looking to get in front of restaurants to showcase your products or services, this is an excellent opportunity. To be featured, contact our membership director at membership@nmrestaurants.org. For our restaurant members, this is your chance to learn how to maximize your membership investment while you network with vendors and other industry professionals. Use the link on the screen to register. We hope to see all of you there. Next up, restaurants are invited to participate in Senator Michael Padilla's 11th Annual Job Fair. This is a free event. New Mexicans need jobs, and this event aims to help you find your next top team members. This job fair is for W-2 employers only and attracts potential employee candidates with a wide array of skill sets. Register for this exciting opportunity today at the link on the screen. The New Mexico Economic Development Department has opened applications for the Healthy Food Financing Fund, a new grant-based pilot program. The fund will award $400,000 in competitive grants to a range of food enterprises all across New Mexico. Applications opened on April 11th, and the deadline to apply is midnight on April 25th. There will be an informational webinar today, April 14th at 11 a.m. Use the link on the screen to register for the webinar and access the application. You can find all the links from the video in the description. Don't forget to check out previous episodes and make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel or catch us weekly on Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and Twitter. This has been the Dish Takeout edition for the week of April 14th. Eat up!